Hello everyone, now we are in Codewars. We're solving a problem titled as cat years, dog years. And I will scroll through the description and you can pause the video if you want to read it. Okay, so basically we are given three types of years: human years, cat years, and dog years. And our task is to determine what is the value of human years, cat years, and dog years. Okay, so for human years, it is just a normal year. So, like year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and so on. And for cat years and dog years, there is some condition for both. So, for cat years, in the first year it will be 15, the second year it will plus 9, which will become 24, and then starting from year 3 until the rest, it will be plus 4. And then for the dog years, as you can see, for the first year and second year, it is the same as the cat years, and then starting from the third year and the rest of it, it will be plus 5. So I have an example here. So in the first year, the human is 1, cat and dog is 15, and then for the second year, human 2, cat and dog becomes 24 because it is plus 9. And then in the third year, human is 3, and then cat is being summed by 4, and dog is summed by 5, so so both becomes 28 and 29 respectively. And then for the fourth year, human is 4, cat is summed by 4, it becomes 32, and dog becomes 34 because it is summed by 5. Okay, so let's go into the code. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is we have to create a variable for cat years and dog years. We don't need to create a variable for human years because it is just the same as the input. Okay, so first, yeah, let's create it. Cat years equals 0, and then dog years equals 0. And then we will create a for loop, and the for loop is limited by the human years. So if the human years is 10, then the for loop will we will loop 10 times because we will add both dog and cat years 10 times as well. Okay, so yeah, let's create it. For year in we start from year 1, not from 0. So we have to specify 1 until human years plus 1. Why plus 1? Because normally in range, it will stop before the second argument here. Okay, so we have to plus 1 because we start from 1. Then if just for first, so if the year is 1, and then cat years and dog years will be plus by 15. Okay, so if year is 1, then cat years, years plus 15, and also dog years also plus 15. Then if it is second year, both will be plus by 9. Okay, so else year is 2, then get years plus 9, and then also dog years plus by 9. And then the last one is if it is already third year, cat years will be plus by 4, and then dog years will be plus by 5. So else cat years plus by 4, then dog years plus by 5. Okay, and then we will return human years, cat years, and then dog years. Okay, let's test. Okay, it looks good. Then try to attempt. Okay, everything works perfectly. So this is for this video. Thank you.